Hi everybody, and the first health drink is I am going to make it with watermelon, and the ingredients are a bowl full of watermelon, a cup of sugar, a half lemon juice, soaked sabja seeds, and the last one mint leaves, and a bowl for mixing and a glass for serving. Let us start. First, I am going to add watermelon into this bowl. Second, we add sugar. And third, we add the half lemon juice. Fourth, we add the soaked sabja seeds. And the last, we add the mint leaves. We should mix it nicely with the spoon. After mixing it, we should serve it into the glass. We should not add water at all because inside of this watermelon itself we have water, and I am going to serve it. And the watermelon health drink is ready. I am going to taste it now. It is very nice to taste. For the summer, it is very healthy to drink this health drink. You should all try it. It will be very nice to taste it. Thanking you. And the second health drink is red banana milkshake. It is very nice for this summer season. And let us start. And the ingredients are, the first ingredient is the red banana. And the second one is pista. Whichever nuts you want you can take. Whichever you like you can take. I am taking pista. And the third one is flattened rice. Fourth one is 2 pieces of cardamom. And the fifth one is Nestle Milkmaid. And the last one is boiled milk. After that, we cooled it. I am going to cut the banana. I have took the mixie jar, and first I am going to add banana. Second I am going to add flattened rice. Third I am going to add pista. Fourth I am going to add these 2 pieces of cardamom. Fifth I am going to add Milkmaid. One spoon of Milkmaid. After adding the Milkmaid, I am going to add the cooled milk. After boiling, I cooled it, and that milk I am going to add in. We need not add the sugar because this banana is very tasty and the Milkmaid is also very sweet. And I am going to grind it. After grinding grinding it nicely. I am going to serve it to the glass. I served it and I'm going to taste it now. It is very tasty. We can use it this also for summer. It is very healthy to drink. And I finished making my 2 health drinks. Now I am going to show it to you. These are the 2 health drinks that I made. Watermelon special and the banana special. These are very tasty for this summer and you can try it. It will be very nice to taste. Thanking you.